Kia ora folks, welcome to my second workshop tour. And I've had about a year in the shop, so I've done a bit, but I've also had to balance the I want to make stuff with I want to fix the shop. So let's do a bit of a tour and see what it looks like. What's improved? Well, I tell you what, the workbench is magnificent. It's not complete, it is a major upgrade. Having it on casters means that I can move it around the shop as I need. Sadly, it's functional now, so finishing it has dropped down the priority list a little. So many things to do. I also have heaps more space. When we moved in, the back of the shop was filled up with 2 rows of benches and piled high with junk. I can get all the way to the back window now. It's very exciting, and you can see that the organisation is starting to take place from the back forward. The roof doesn't leak anymore. The shop still floods, but the roof doesn't leak. The window in the back corner still does though, but that'll get fixed next time it dries out. I figured out where the rain's getting through. The old flickering fluoro lights have been replaced with LEDs. I need a couple more, but the light is way better now. You'd be surprised how much easier it is to do woodwork when you can see the things you're working on. Massive difference. All the scrap wood is either in the woodshed, in the roof, or outside waiting to be processed. No more piles of scrap all over the place. I've had a major planer upgrade from the old lunchbox planer to Bumblebee, the DeWALT 735, just the same as everyone else. There's a major upgrade for Bumblebee in the post as well. I promised myself that when the stock blades were all blunt, I would install a helical head, and that should arrive any day now. Very exciting. In the first tour, I just built the bandsaw out of its box. In this one, I've just now used it to resaw some boards for the first time. It's a great tool and very useful, but is it worth the space it takes up? I'm still on the fence about that. I need it for processing driftwood, but is that something I'll keep doing? I'm not sure. Stay tuned on that. I have way more clamps now. I think there were 4 F-style clamps a year ago. They got wet and multiplied. I think there's about 10 now. I think those are the major improvements, but what's on the list to improve from here? The big one is dust collection. I've taken to wearing my mask pretty much all the time, whenever I make any kind of sawdust, and that's just not ideal. It's really not comfortable to wear, particularly with glasses. So I guess making a decent dust extraction, filtration, and collection system is a massive priority. I want to get everything up off the floor so I can keep it clean. Off the floor and packed away, a place for everything and everything in its place. The original plan was to build the table saw into the workbench, but I think I like it separate. Just having the 2 tables is really nice, and now they're both on wheels, kind of useful. I think I just need to improve the table saw cart, make it the same height as the workbench so that I can use it as an in-feed or an out-feed table. The bench still has a long way to go. The storage situation underneath it is dire. It needs more drawers, shelves and stuff so I can efficiently store all the tools that are on the walls. It'd also be great to fix the flooding. With the steep driveway running down into the shop door, I need a big spoon drain across the front. That's quite a big upgrade. I need to rip up the existing one and the pipe that runs from the front of the workshop to the back. It's concreted in and it's too small. So I need to rip up the concrete and replace that pipe, as well as put a proper spoon drain across the front. I guess I could go on with improvements forever. So that's going to do for now. What do you guys think? Do you see anything I should improve straight away? How do you guys balance making things with shop improvements? I'd love to hear about your approach in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another exciting workshop tour around this time next year. Mā te wā. I'll catch you later, guys. Ciao.